Hi. Yeah, till now we have seen the solving cubes in one method. Now we will see the cubes in Yavaduna method. People will call it as Y method also in Vedic mathematics. Here the specialty of this method is you can solve the 3-digit number cube within 30 seconds. By practice you can solve within 10 seconds also. Now let us take the number 102. 102. 102 cube we need to do. Sir, how to do? You multiply 102 into 102 into 102. You will get the answer. 102 into 102 into 102. But this is not very required. We are studying Vedic mathematics for only two reasons. Okay. Third reason is also there. I'll tell you. First reason is to solve it 100% accurate. Second reason is to solve it very much faster. And the third hidden reason is to gain the confidence to love the maths. Okay. For that reasons, we should solve this in very simplest way possible. Now see here, if you observe this number, it is 102, which means close to 100, that is base is 100, and it is 2 greater than 100. So we can write as 100 plus 2, right? So 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. So write 100 plus 2 into 3. Why? Because this is 102, here 100, here it is 2, and into 3 we are multiplying. So this will be equal to 100 plus 6, this will be 106. Now see here, this is 6 greater than 100. 106, 6 greater than 100. You take that 6 and multiply with this excess 2. Here this is 2 greater than 100, right? So now this will become 12. Now take this 2 and cube this. So this will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 4 into 2, that is 8. Now final part done. Answer 106, the first part, the second part, the third part. How much time it taken? See, this is the first time I am explaining to you, that is why it taken 1 minute of time. But by practice, I am sure that you will write within 20 seconds. Okay, answer you can write within 20 seconds. We will take another example. We will take 104 cube. 104 cube. 100 plus 4 into 3. This value equal to 112. 100 plus 12, 112. Now take this excess 12 and multiply with this excess. 100 plus 4, right? So 4. This will be equal to 48. Now take this 4 and cube this. 4 cube. 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64. So 64. Now write first part, write second part, write third part. Very easy, right? If you want, you can check with the calculator. Even calculator checking takes a lot of time than doing this manually, right? Now we will move on to the another, that is thousands. Okay. So 1001 cube. Sir, how to do this? 1001 cube. 1001 into 1001 to 1001. Sir, this is the answer. Where is the answer? This is the question written in another form. Okay. The answer is, see here, it is 1000 plus 1, right? So 1000 plus 1 into 3. That is how you need to write. Okay. Here we have taken this 1001. 1001 we have written in the form of 1000 plus 1 into 3. Okay. Why this 3? Here we are finding the cube in one particular method of Vedic mathematics. That is why you need to focus only on 1001. This is the only point of focus. Here also you just see 1000 plus 1, 1001. Okay. 1003. Now how much is the excess here? 3, right? So that 3 into how much here is the excess? 1, right? So 1003. Okay. Now take this 1, that is this one, and cube it. 1 cube how much? 001. Now what is the final answer? 1003, 003, 001. This is the answer. Surprise, right? We will solve another example. 1004 cube. 1000 plus 4 into 3. This will be equal to 1 0 1 2. Here 12 is the excess, so take the 12 into, take here excess 4, 12 4s are 48, so write 048. Now take this 4 and cube it, 4 cube will be 4 into 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64. Write 0 6 4 and write all the digits, that is 1 0 1 2 0 4 8 0 6 4. This is the value. Check with the calculator here, I am not joking. See, everything I have done transparent, okay. These are very important tips when you are solving any exam. For your understanding, I'll take one more example. Now we will take slightly bigger number and perform the cube. We will take 1011 whole cube. 1011 whole cube. How? 1011 into 1011 into 1011. If you do this, you will get the answer. But that is not what we required. We want to solve here. That is equals to 1000 plus 11 into 3. Here the base is 1000. That you need to remember because it is close to 1000, right? So this value will be equal to 1033. Now here it is 33 greater than 1000. It is 33 excess to 1000. So take that 33 and multiply with this excess. How much? This excess is 11. So 33 into 11. How much? 33. 363. So this will be 363. Okay. Now take this 11 and perform cube. 11 cube is 11 into 11, 121. 121 into 11 we required. Okay. 121. So 1331. So this will be 1331. Now we have got the first part, middle part and the last part. Now we need to club the part and write the answer. How to club it is, since the base is 1000, it has 3 zeros. That is 10 power 3 equal to 1000, right? So we need to consider 3 bits from the last part and remaining 1 digit you need to give as carry to the next middle one. Okay. If here also, if it is 3 digits, write as it is. If it is 4 digits, you take 1 and give to carry to the first part. Okay. So write this 331 as it is. 331. This 1 as carry to here. So 1 plus 363 will become 364. And here 1033 as it is. So this will be the cube. Hardly taken 2 or 3 minutes at the beginning, but trust me, if you solve this kind of problems, lot more, you will able to solve this within 30 seconds. This is proven, okay? And you just do the homework, okay? I will give the homework also. You do homework, you solve 1010 cube, okay? 1009 cube, 1007 cube, 1002 cube. You have to solve this and write the answer in the comment section. I will see and verify that. You have to give me the feedback of this video, whether you like the video, you write it, or if you don't like the video, you also write it, okay? And I am teaching all this because to increase the spirit of the maths in the student. Maybe if you are a competitive exam preparation also, that will be most helpful for you because it saves lot of time. Thank you. We will see with the next videos.